Enterprise architecture, solution architecture, and design are crucial components in the world of technology and business. Enterprise architecture involves aligning an organization's technologies, processes, and strategies with its overall goals and objectives. It provides a holistic view of the entire organization and helps in taking well-informed decisions. On the other hand, solution architecture focuses on designing specific solutions to address business problems or challenges. It involves creating detailed plans, frameworks, and specifications for implementing these solutions. Design, on the other hand, is about creating the actual blueprint for the technological solutions that will be implemented in the organization. The benefits of adopting these concepts include improved business agility, reduced complexity, better decision-making, and a more efficient and effective IT infrastructure. A real-life example of how these concepts interact can be seen in a large multinational corporation. The enterprise architecture team aligns the company's complex and diverse IT systems with its business objectives. The solution architecture team then designs specific solutions, such as a new customer relationship management system, to address a particular business need. Finally, the design team translates these plans into detailed technical specifications and implementation plans for the IT department to execute. In conclusion, enterprise architecture, solution architecture, and design play a crucial role in ensuring that an organization's technology infrastructure is aligned with its business objectives and can adapt to the constantly changing business environment.